Hey, if you want to hide photos, videos, screenshots, or any other pictures on your POCO C65, first of all, you have to open the gallery. Next, when you do this, you have to move into the albums and click on the right bottom corner on the plus to create a new album. Now, set it the custom name, click OK, and now from this, you can actually select everything that you want to input to this hidden folder. So let's say that I want to hide, for example, this photo and this photo. You have to click on this small circle because when you click on the photo, you will open it and take a look for the preview. So yeah, let's hide maybe 2 photos and 1 video. Now I have to click right here, but also when you go to the albums, you can actually store some other albums like the videos, camera, or screenshots. And when you, for example, click like this, you will be able to open it. So now click here to simply move it. You can move it or copy. If you copy, these photos and videos will still be on this normal album, so I can recommend you to move it because you want to hide it. And now when you do this, it appears right here. So when you click and hold it with your finger, you can actually click on hide. Then click OK. And as you can see, it doesn't appear anymore right here. When you click on the right upper corner and tap on the settings, you can actually go here to view hidden albums. And here it is. You can actually find it. You can hide dates, for example. You can unhide this this folder, and that's how it looks. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.